Hey everyone, and welcome to PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. This is the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating and sometimes surprising ways AI is revolutionizing video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss any of the news and breakdowns we have coming up. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. It's great to have you. Today we're looking into the future, specifically the year 2025. The world of AI surveillance is making a massive leap. We're moving away from just recording what happens and shifting towards smart, proactive systems that predict what's about to happen. These systems are integrating deeply with the security tools we already have and getting a major boost from the cloud. Let's break down exactly how this is all unfolding. First up, we have predictive and behavioral analytics. Think of it like this. Instead of security guards watching hours of footage for something to go wrong, AI is now trained to spot the subtle clues before an incident. It can analyze motion patterns to identify unusual behavior, like someone loitering in a restricted area, or detect shifts in crowd dynamics that could signal trouble. This allows for intervention before a situation escalates, turning security from reactive to predictive. It's a total game changer. Next, let's talk about edge computing. This is a huge one. In the past, all the heavy lifting, the video analysis had to be sent to a central server or the cloud. Now, more and more processing is happening right on the camera itself. This is called the edge. The benefits are massive. It drastically reduces delays, so you get real-time alerts. It saves a ton of internet bandwidth. And, really importantly, it improves privacy by keeping sensitive data local instead of constantly sending it over the internet. Of course, that doesn't mean the cloud is going away. In fact, it's becoming more crucial than ever. By 2025, it's projected that over 83% of businesses will be using cloud-based surveillance. Why? The cloud offers secure remote access from anywhere, practically unlimited storage, and most importantly, it acts as the central hub that unites everything: video feeds, access control systems, alarms into one seamless, easy-to-manage platform. Now, where this gets really powerful is with enhanced analytics for specific situations. AI isn't just seeing a person or a car anymore, it's getting incredibly specific. We're talking multi-class object detection that can recognize the difference between a delivery driver S uniform and a police officer S. We're seeing advanced audio analytics that can instantly detect the sound of breaking glass or even a gunshot. This level of detail makes security systems smarter and far more effective, but all this amazing AI analysis is useless if the camera can't see clearly. That's why another key trend is the continuous improvement in camera hardware. We're seeing huge advancements in low-light technology, allowing for clear, usable video even in near darkness. Higher resolution sensors are becoming standard. You need clean, high-quality video for AI to work its magic, especially for things like facial recognition or license plate reading. And the hardware is finally catching up to the software. We're also seeing tighter integration with other systems, like access control. Imagine a door that unlocks automatically for an authorized employee based on facial recognition, but stays locked and sends an alert if an unrecognized person approaches. By combining AI video with smart locks and entry systems, we create a more comprehensive and automated security ecosystem that's both more convenient and more secure. With all this power, it's natural to have questions about privacy and ethics. The industry knows this. A major focus moving forward is on developing AI solutions that are not only smart but also secure and respectful of privacy. Building trust with consumers and organizations is absolutely essential, so expect to see more features designed to protect data and reduce bias. Finally, a cool emerging trend is the use of generative AI. This isn't about the AI watching the video, but helping the humans who review it. Generative AI can automatically create incident reports, write up natural language summaries of what happened during an event, and help investigators quickly find the exact footage they need. It streamlines the entire workflow, saving time and reducing the chance for human error. From law enforcement and retail to schools and businesses of all sizes, these trends are shaping a safer, more efficient future. By letting AI handle the heavy lifting of monitoring, we can free up human personnel to focus on what they do best. And for the end user, it's all being designed to be more intuitive and user-friendly than ever. Thanks so much for hanging out and exploring these trends with me. Be sure to check the description for any relevant links. And if you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next deep dive. Keep an eye out for other videos on similar topics popping up on your screen now. And always remember, PeekAboo, I see you.